Ni rianirira riri ria jaji munene David Maraga riacokirie President Kenyatta baraginyo.
Rendering the declared results invalid, null and void.
Rutikoretwo ruri rugendo ruhuthu hari President Uhuru Kenyatta uria werigirirwo kwihitithio tariki 29 mweri wa kanana agikorwo gutiari cira watwarirwo igoti-ini mbere ya rianirira riri riria riamukirirwo na kimako kinene ni arumiriri yake ona gutuika President oigire ni ekuritia.
I personally disagree with the ruling that has been made today, but I respect it as much as I disagree with it. I respect it.
Mukira oriogi wa kiuteti itua riri ni riamukirirwo na gikeno na ndohio ni arumiriria mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga uria wareganite na uhotani wa President Kenyatta.
This decision is historic. I think this is the first judgment in the entire continent of Africa. This is a triumph.
Ona thutha wa igotha riri na thutha wa igoti gwathana githurano gicokerwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 60.
Election is not an event. It is a process from the beginning to the end.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni acokire kiharo-ini o ringi kuhoya kura kampeni-ini iria cikumutwara kona ciothe cia bururi ni undu wa githurano kieru gia tariki 26.
Safari hii itakuwa 70+1.
Sasa mimi sana sio rais mtarajiwa. Mimi ni rais ambao amekalia kiti.
Thutha wa kurenga thithino kuhitukira micemanio mingi ya kampeni tariki 10 mweri wa 10 thiku 16 mbere ya githurano, mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga ni anireire kuyeheria gwake githurano-ini kieru undu uria wonekanire tongiarehire githagathago gia gikatiba.
We believe that all will be best served by NASA vacating its presidential candidature in the election scheduled for 26th October this 2017.
No muthenya umwe tu thutha wa Raila kuyeheria kihitahitano-ini kiu, jaji wa igoti nene John Mativo ni anireire itua riria rieheririe githagathago o giothe gia gigatiba thutha wake gwathana aria othe mahuranire o President githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana macokio irebei-ini.
On the whole, I find no legal basis to justify the first and second respondent's decision to exclude the petitioner from contesting in the fresh elections.
Itua riri ria jaji Mativo nirio rieheririe kihingisha o giothe kiria kiumanite na Raila kuyeheria na githurano gia tariki 26 gigithie na mbere o uria kwabangitwo. Tariki 26 uri mothe wa githurano, Akenya magiukira riria marateire nyina guikia kura ciao ona gutuika ngui ni ciagirireirie githurano gwikika kaunti-ini 4 gitaro-ini kia Nyanza.
But we are telling them not to try to take any ballot papers there in Nyanza.
Thutha wa thiku 4 cia wetereri, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini Wafula Chebukati ni atangathire President Kenyatta ta muhotani thutha wake kugia na kura milioni 7.4.
I hereby congratulate the victors. I hereby declare Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta.
Thutha wa uhotani wa mutongoria Kenyatta uria wari mubunge wa Kilome Harun Mwao, ahuraniriri a oma wa kiumundu Jojo Mwe na Helifa ni mathire igoti-ini ikaru kwenda uhotani uyu ukanju. Thutha wa guthikiririo gwa cira wao kwa ihinda ria thiku 2, majaji a igoti ikaru ni maheanire itua riao riria makinyanirie me hamwe.
The court has unanimously determined that the petitions are not merited.
Thutha wa itua riri ria majaji a igoti ikaru, riu President Uhuru Kenyatta erigirirwo kwihitithio tariki 28 thiku 7 thutha wa itua riri kwanirirwo ta uria gatiba yugite. Kwihitithio kwa mutongoria wa bururi muthi wa keri kiumia turorete gukarumirirwo ni ndumiriri yake kuri bururi iria erigereirwo kurongoreria uria ekurehe bururi hamwe na uria ekuhingia ireko nyingi iria rire a Kenya hindi ya kampeni. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.